Here's something a lot of drivers do not realize until it happens to them. A small hit on the outside of a vehicle can create real problems on the inside. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and today I want to talk about something that surprises people regularly: hidden damage, and why a minor-looking accident is not always as minor as it appears. Modern vehicles are engineered with layers. What you see on the surface, a bumper cover, a fender, a door panel, is often just the outer shell. Behind it, there are brackets, reinforcements, energy-absorbing foam, sensors, mounting hardware, and structural components that are not visible at a glance. So when a vehicle takes an impact, even a relatively small one, the force travels through those layers. The bumper cover might look cracked, but otherwise intact. But behind it, the foam absorber may be compressed and no longer functional. The reinforcement bar underneath could be bent. Mounting brackets may be broken. In some vehicles, a low-speed hit can even affect backup sensors, parking sensors, or cameras that are built into the bumper assembly. None of that is visible from the outside. And here is why that matters. If the hidden damage is not identified and addressed properly, a few things can happen. The bumper may not fit correctly after it's repaired because the structural support behind it is no longer in the right position. Safety systems that depend on sensors may not function properly. And in a future accident, the compromised components may not absorb impact the way they were designed to. That is not a small issue. That is a safety concern. This is exactly why a thorough inspection matters so much more than a quick visual assessment. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we do not just look at what is visible. We look at what the impact likely affected based on where the hit occurred and how the damage presents. We explain what we find in plain language so the customer understands exactly what needs attention and why. Because people deserve to know the full picture of what happened to their vehicle, not just what the surface shows. If you have had even a minor accident and are not sure whether there is more going on beneath the surface, come see us at Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. We'll take a closer look and give you a real answer.